Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because I got a package from Aliexpress, and guess what, it's gift season on Aliexpress and they're running huge sales with up to 60% off lots of amazing products. Just make sure you stick to the end of this video because I have something special for you. With that being said, let's quickly unbox this. So the first thing I have in here is this really cute continuous spray bottle. Let me open it up so we can see what it looks like. Okay, and this simply means that I do not have to stress myself whenever I want to hydrate or moisturize my hair. All I have to do is simply pour water into this spray bottle. I simply have to spray this on my hair, as you can see. And the beautiful thing about this is that the water comes out as a fine mist, and this means even distribution of the water in hair or other styling products that I decide to put in hair. Honestly, I love this. The next thing I have in here is this really cute leopard print headband. I'm just going to put this on, okay? And this is what it looks like. It is super comfortable. It is not too tight, it is not loose, and this is perfect for days when you want to get your box braids, your wigs, your sewings and other protective styles out of your face and still look good. Okay, moving on to the next thing that I got from Aliexpress. This is another beautiful headband. Okay, this is what it looks like. This one came with this elastic thing at the back. Okay, this is another headband which you can use to accessorize and level up your hair game in so many ways. Okay, let me try it on. This is what it looks like, and I also love this one. Okay, I'm having a hard time deciding which one I prefer, this or that. Let me know in the comments which of these headbands you prefer. Okay, and the last thing I have in this first package is this. I've been wanting to get my hands on this brush for the longest, and here it is, all thanks to Aliexpress. This brush can be used to style and detangle your natural hair or your wigs. So if you're a natural hair girl like me, then you absolutely need this brush. Okay, it came with a wig cap and extra free gifts. And this is what the wig looks like straight out of the pack. No styling and no product. This is actually a fringe wig, and it comes with 3 combs to help you secure it, and also a strap. Okay, I'm going to put on the wig cap that came with this wig so I can try it on. And this is what it looks like. I absolutely love it. The hair is super soft. I'm going to try and style this wig a little bit so we can see the full potential. Just going to dampen it a little bit using the water I have in the spray bottle. Okay, can see that water alone gets the curls more defined, as you can see. I'm going to go in with a little conditioner, just a little bit. Okay. So just going to finger comb it a little bit like this. This is what it looks like. And this is what this wig looks like after styling with only water and a little bit of conditioner. I absolutely love it. Okay, it is so soft and fluffy. And as someone that is passionate about growing out her natural hair, this wig is perfect for me because I do not have to lay my edges, glue down anything, or do any extra styling to my natural hair. I simply have to throw on this wig and I'm out of the door. I decided to style the wig using the Leopard print headband and I absolutely love it. Let me know what you think about each of these items. I've linked each of them in the description box, and the best part is that when you use the link in the description box to shop, you get a few coins off your purchase. You're welcome. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.